Now, let's see. A bird. A bird's a fun one. We're going to make a bird. This is Donuts Clown again. Hi, how are you? This is a bird. We're going to use 260 again. Okay. Now, you have about 3.5 fingers. 3.5. This is what we're going to do. We're going to make 1.5 inch bubble up here, or 2 inches, 2.5. 2.5. And then you're going to take the knot, right? Take the knot end and pull it down into that bubble you just made. So that's going to be the little bird's face. See it? Then what we're going to do is we're going to make a 4-inch bubble, fold it, 4-inch bubble. Now what you're going to do is do the roll through. You put the balloon through, roll it through. That's going to be the bird's belly. Once again, I'm just going to unroll it there to see what I did. I just took it, I pushed it through the ears there, and rolled it down. I just pull it down with my finger so it creates that lock there. Then what you do is just give it a little squish, because this is going to be the ring that the bird sits in. So you just take it and eyeball it, and then you put it in the ring. Put it up his head, and there would be your bird. Very easy, very quick, very simple. Something really cool about the bird, though, is if you take another 260 and do the same first part, watch. You're going to want to watch the snake video next, okay? So if you made the bird and you want something else, watch the next snake video. See, I'm going to do the snake video now. See, all you do is take a 2-inch bubble, 2 inches, then a 3-inch, yeah, 3 inches, and then fold it and twist it. Then you do the roll through again. Then what I do is take that part there and push it right inside. So now it's got like a little tiger's hood, or not a tiger, a snake's hood, like a cobra. Then you can do like the bird, the swan. Just take it down, and as long as you can do a 3-fold here, all I did was took it down. I found out where about even was, and then I could have a roll through here with the tail. So the tail's on there now, and there is a super easy snake. Boys love them. They're very cool, very quick, very simple. Just draw the 2 eyes on and say that knot there is the fat or the tongue.